Hello guys, let's do a video for a, well, I call it a tank top. Let's say a tank top. Yeah, this fabric is a stretchy fabric. So first off, you're gonna fold into 4, then draw your starting line, then measure your neck. I use 3.5 by 3.5 in this video, so you can play around with the type of wideness you want for your neck. So what I use is 3.5 by 3.5. You make your own 3 by 3 or 3 by 4, whichever which you want. So then I got the measurement for the back depth is 1 inch. Then I got my shoulder slant. I went shoulder slant by 2.5. Then I went ahead to get measurement for my shoulder. This video I'm using 13. Yeah, I went down by 8 for my armhole. Then draw my armhole line. Then take the measurement of the body. I'm using 15 divided by 4 is 7. So you just use the armhole curve to connect the body measurement to the shoulder. Give it a very nice curve. You see. So I'm using the full length 18. Remember to add 1 inch for another 110. This is a crop top. For a guy, you can use full length. Then the depth of the armhole is not going to be as deep as that. Then also your shoulder. So this is actually a crop top I'm doing because majority of us here are females. So probably I'll do a tank top design for the guys. So you just curl it out this way, and this is how it looks. Also, you cut the front neck. If you notice, you're cutting the front and back together, but you're going to cut the back neck before cutting the front neck. So this is how it is. So let's go straight to just sewing it. So you can use your straight sewing. You do your straight sewing and you weave. For this I'm using a weaving machine because I want this video to be as swift as possible. So you just join the shoulder that way. After joining the shoulder, you join the sides. So you will take the measurement of your neck and the measurement of your armhole. So I got 19. The measurement of my neck is 19. The same thing with my armhole is 19. So you take out 2 inch. That's 19 divided by 2, 9.5. You take out 2 inch. So depending on how stretchy your fabric is, you get. So this fabric is really stretchy. I'm using a rib. So I cut the height 2 inch and the width is 7.5. So you just go ahead to join you cut it in 3 places, you understand? So for the armholes and the neckline. So if your fabric is very stretchy, use minus 3 inch from the main neck measurement and the main measurement. So what you just need to do is to drag while you're sewing. You understand? It's just minus from there. And so after joining, you open. You can press so you get a very nice finish. So this for tutorial sake, so I'm just showing you guys how to join it. So just fold into two like that after joining, then you turn it inside out. You start from the back. You see, you just start from the back and you pipe round. You just drag it gently and you go round. You drag it gently and you go round. So you join the, you see, you join the neck that way, and also the armhole. The same thing, just fold into two and you join. So this is one of the most easiest thing to sew lately. So you just play with it like this. Just drag gently, not too far from it. So just a little pull. You just pull it gently and you sew around. So that's it. You do the same thing for all sides, and you can go ahead and weave. Go ahead and weave to take care of the finishing. So you weave all sides, then you weave it down. And after weaving, just hem it down. So you can decide to top stitch from your armhole joining and the neck joining. You can top stitch. Is that a top stitch, and if you press and you feel like you don't want to test top stitch, you can leave it that way. But it's advisable you top stitch, so it's best if you top stitch. Then you just hem it down, just a little, just hem it down, just so gently. And I think that's all for this video. Please, you can drop a comment once you watch this video and leave a question anywhere you don't understand, so I can attend to you.